Hello everyone, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs here. I've got a 2006 VW Beetle with a 2.5 engine in it, 5 cylinders, and I just want to show you the location of the crankshaft position sensor, or what other people call engine speed sensor. So just coming from the front here, this is the harness for the sensor. Let's see if I can get some lights for you guys. Right there. You just need to push this on the top to remove this harness, and the wire goes on towards this little bracket between the engine and transmission. Yeah, I know it's leaking here, but that's something else. And the sensor that I'm talking about is actually does mount right there on those 2 screws right there. And the way it mounts is it's really hard to hold this light while I'm recording, but it mounts just like that. Just like that into these 2 screws, and this is the sensor, and that's between the engine and the transmission. Alright, looks like this is a genuine part here, and the code that we were getting on this engine was 00802 speed sensor, which translate to the G28 engine speed sensor, and the code is p0322. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I just thought I would show you this really quick. I think it'll be helpful for a lot of people that are getting this code. Thanks.